Okay, this is the fourth circle theorem. Fourth circle theorem is about things called cyclic quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a shape with four sides. A cyclic quadrilateral is a shape with four sides where all four of the corners, all four of the vertices, lie on the same circle. And it's quite a simple theorem. It just says opposite angles, this is the slogan, opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. That's the slogan. That's what the theorem says. Opposite angles in a cyclic quad add up to 180 degrees. Opposite means what you think it might mean, the ones opposite each other like that. So that tells us that we can find this angle here by knowing these two add up to 180. This must be 59 degrees. Those of you who are very wide, I will prove this theorem for you in another video. We can use it here as well. Opposite angles here add up to 180, so this must be 130 degrees. It can work for any kind of cyclic quad. So, in particular, if you don't need to have the center of the circle inside the cyclic quad. That's not important. If you're told that that is 40 degrees, that will always be, I'll give you a second, 140 degrees, because those two add up to 180. And another sort of useful thing to be aware of is sometimes it's useful to know, if you've got a cyclic quad like this one, maybe with a line that comes out, and you could be told that that angle there is 110 degrees, and you want to find out some other angles. Well, actually, you could quite easily work out that that's 70 degrees, and then use, because of the straight line there, and then use opposite angles in a cyclic quad up to 110 to discover that that's 110 degrees. But sometimes it's quite useful just to be able to spot immediately that the inside angle here is 180 minus the inside angle on the opposite side, which means it will always be the same as the outside angle if you've got an extended straight line. So that's just another little application of cyclic quads. If you're stuck on a circle theorem question, look for cyclic quads. They're very easy to miss. Most circle theorem questions that aren't immediately obvious have a cyclic quadrilateral hidden in them somewhere.